Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a split screen effect in Davinci Resolve. This is perfect for comparisons, interviews, or creative edits. First, import your clips and place them on different video tracks in your timeline. Make sure the clips are stacked on top of each other with the one you want on the left or right positioned above the other. Next, select the top clip and go to the Inspector panel. If you don't see it, click Inspector at the top right. On the transform, adjust the zoom and position settings to move the clip to one side of the screen. Now select the bottom clip and adjust its position the same way. Move it to the opposite side so both clips are visible at the same time. For a cleaner split, use the Crop tool. Scroll down in the Inspector panel, find Cropping and adjust the Crop Left or Crop Right sliders to refine the split. Finally, add a border if needed. You can create a simple border using a solid color layer and positioning it between the clips. And that's it! You've successfully created a split screen effect in Davinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. See you in the next one.